Here we go, we're in Athens, Greece, at the Divani Palace Acropolis. Let's go check it out and have some fun. This is super cool. Within our hotel, downstairs next to the restaurant, we have our own set of ruins. Here we go, executive room, Acropolis view. Let's check it out. Complimentary bottle of wine we got. And of course, we've all been waiting for the view. As you can see right behind me is the Acropolis. And that's the reason why we chose this hotel, for its location. You can't beat those views. This is the view from our balcony. Another cool thing about the location here is you have access to a bunch of little neighborhoods, for example Plaka, which I'll add later in the video. View from the balcony, let's zoom in and take a peek. Here we go, it's gym time. Let's go check out the gym at the hotel. The gym is small, but it gets the job done. Here at the hotel, you can add breakfast to your room or not add it. But of course, we did. Let's go check out the buffet. Here we go, it's bubbly time. There's a rooftop restaurant called The Secret, which gives you an awesome view of the Acropolis. Let's go take a peek. Ah yes, the streets of Plaka. Many little shops, cool little restaurants, and the architecture is just stunning. And for those Americans that are homesick, there you go, something little from home. And yep, out here in Plaka, there are some ruins, just like everywhere else in Athens. You gotta appreciate the ancient history. Walking up these steps just like the ancients did. Wow. Lunch and live excavations. Mastika. Oh yeah, that's good. I am really gonna miss this view.